Starting a business today is easier than ever. However, looking like a real business, that's the difficult part. We live in a timeline where everything is decentralized. Anyone can start a business, anyone can market a product online, anyone can sell anything on the internet with zero experience required. Here's what nobody tells you. Decentralization means you now have more competitors than ever. The local fashion designer is no longer competing with their fellow local fashion designer. You are competing with the likes of Shein, Amazon, and Temu. The local skincare manufacturer is now competing with the likes of Nivea, CeraVe, and Olay. If your positioning is weak, your business is invisible to those who matter. That's because people don't pay premium for the best products. They pay premium for the best presented products. Let me say that once again. People don't pay premium for the best products. They pay premium for the best presented products. When I started designing many years ago, I saw the same problem everywhere. Small business owners have heart. They are willing to hustle and grind, put in the work and all of that stuff. But they don't have identity. It's either they have bad visuals, incoherent message, or they have zero to no strategy. And that's largely because design and strategy are two broad fields that take a lot of time, resources, and money, particularly, to learn. As a result, most give up. They don't even try at all. And the stubborn ones will go on to have businesses that stay mediocre for decades. Zero substantial impact, zero growth, just hustling for decades. That's where I come in. I'm working on something that's going to make this thing easy for you and at the same time be affordable. Let me show you practically how this thing works inside of Photoshop. I have never seen this kind of thing before, never. And it's not like I invented Photoshop. I didn't invent the tool, but no one has really cared about business owners to the extent where they are giving them complete control, like full control, and still making it very, very easy for them. Let me show you this thing. Let's assume you bought Let's assume you bought the real estate file. When you open any of these particular templates in the AuraKIT, you'll be meeting 21 artboards. That's because one of the artboards is like a master key for all the designs. Everything you see in that first artboard shows you what can be edited across all other 20 designs. So this color here, for instance, this purple here, if I change this purple, it's going to change all the purples in the entire file. If I change this blue, same thing. If I change this dark, I think this is dark purple, it will change everything. Same thing with this logo, this cloud, this checkers, and this second checkers. The only thing that doesn't change across board is the text and the font. That one you have to change that one manually. There's no way to change to make that one edit across board in Photoshop for now. So let's assume I want to change this first purple. The colors will be gotten from your own brand logo, but let me just pick different colors from the top of my own head. But you pick the color from your logo, or you have your designer tell you your brand colors, if it is gradient, if it is solid, or there are things you can also reach out to us about. Let's help you figure that out. Let's assume I want to have green here, for instance. I go to the green, or I type the color code here, I click OK. Change this blue to green also, maybe a lighter shade of green, yeah, something like that. Then I click OK. Once I click Command S or Control S on your Windows, it is going to change all the 20 designs, everything, wherever that purple is, it will change to green. I now need to change this blue also. I'll double click this here, double click to change the color green, and let's make it all green. For this one, we'll just give it a nice shade. It's always nice to change the shade a little bit, but maintain the hue. This is the hue, this is the shade, so leave the hue, but you can change the brightness, the darkness, the saturation. Let me click OK, and once I hit Command S here, it changes all the blue, all the sky blue that was in that design. Let's assume you don't want to use checkers for your pattern, for instance. Let me first zoom out so you see everything. Can you see? The dark purple is still outstanding. I can change that to dark green. Now let's assume you don't want to use checkers. The same way you changed these colors, you can also change the checkers to whether polka dots, your own brand patterns. If your designer gave you brand patterns, you can use your own pattern. And if you don't have your own pattern, there are also things that you can reach out to us for. We can help you create your own pattern. So you can change the pattern to match whatever pattern is your own brand pattern. Let me change one, for instance, just for the sake of this demo video. So I will hold Command to highlight the layer, or I can navigate in this place and look for the layer. I'll double click this place here, the icon of the layer. Once I double click that, it opens Illustrator. That's not the plan. Yeah. Great. I don't have plans of using Illustrator for this. How come there? If I double click, right there. Okay, good. So if I double click that, it opens the pattern. I can change the pattern. Once I change this pattern here, it will change all the patterns in this, wherever this pattern is used in this entire design, it will change it. Let me first change the dark purple to dark green. So you see it. There might be a little bug here and there because this is like the first batch of this template, and I am the one making everything. I'm trying to like set up the standard that we are going to be following. So you see how everything changed to green with just a single click. It's as simple as that. And if, let's say, your brand color is blue, green, red, purple, whatever, just put the color there and switch to the single click. Let me show you another template so you understand that it's not just this particular template, it's across board. Okay, so I will open this template. This is the one for logistic businesses. Let me close those other ones. The same exact way we changed that, you can also change the colors in this one. The same way, colors and patterns, you can change it with a single click. Just zoom in, or you don't have to zoom in. You can just hold Control or Command on Windows. So Command or Control on Windows. I can change this now. Let's say it's a black and red brand, or it's an all red brand. That means I'll change the blue to red because it's an all red brand. So change the blue to red. To add some spice, I can give the red a little bit shade, maybe some darkness if it's a brand that's hardcore. If I hit Command S now and I go back to that main window, everything has changed. And the same thing is applicable for the logo and for the pattern, as you can see here. Hold Command to navigate to the layer, double click to open it, change it to the color you want to change it to, close, Command S, Command S. And that's it. It's as simple as that. Now we have an all blue logistics brand. The Instant AuraKIT is a brand communication system for businesses that want to attract premium clients in 2026 and beyond without having to hire a brand communications team. It gives you 20 premium Photoshop templates that adapt instantly in one click. Colors, patterns, textures, everything changes in a single click. It also comes with a strategy document, a workbook, and pro Telegram community where you can be getting technical support. Anyone, your assistant, your niece, your intern, even you can create scroll-stopping visuals with zero design experience. If you want premium customers to take you seriously, if you want your brand to speak before you do, then you need the Instant AuraKIT. I'll be giving you a 90-day money-back guarantee. If you take action, you use the visuals and you use the strategy document that I'm working on, which will be called Magnetic Aura. I'm still working on the document. If you use that document, the workbook, and you create visuals and you put those visuals out using the right message for 90 days, and you don't see substantial increase in your revenue, I'll give you your money back 100%. 90 days, no questions asked. You just need to show you took action for 90 days. You used the message and you put the visuals out the way you had to put it out for 90 days and you don't see results. I'll give you your money back. Guaranteed. For more information, visit templatyze.com.